Alrighty, this is Seattle Space Needle Tower Elevator. Let's hop inside. Let's go, please.
Baby steps to the back inside. Everyone in here.
Seattle Space Needle Elevator. This looks really nice.
Here we go. How's everyone doing today?
Good.
So how many of you are here for the first time?
Me.
Fantastic. My name is Victoria. I'll be your elevator operator for 41 seconds. As we travel up 520 feet to the observation deck. Traveling at 10 miles an hour, you're looking out west.
There's the deep sea over there.
Puget Sound. It's all salt water and connects out to the Pacific Ocean. Space Needle was built for the 1962 World's Fair.
Here's downtown Seattle.
Height of 605 feet or 184 meters. And that's the same as 1,320 king-size candy bars.
Now that's a lake over there that connects out to the ocean, and my ears are popping.
We'll be up there for a long time.
Yeah, you see it all.
Here we are at the observation deck level.